Welcome to Pocket Woodland Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today we're going to have a shot at Big Hand Bushcrafts number 9 RIBBIT. I just love the names. I've got a number 9 and I've got a number 10. So we're going to go for the number 9. I have put a pick in this, couldn't resist it on the first package open, just after. However, I couldn't pick it. It was quite the falset dance. I was definitely stuck in a falset with you. So we're gonna try it again. No, there's a massive falset dancing going on and a deep falset. Like you really know you're in a falset going in with beveled, pick and femur handle. This is the really nice ghost. Really appreciate Tinnie making this these challenge locks for me. It's just awesome to have a challenge lock that's been made for you, and you know that you can hold on to it for as long as you want and take as long as you need to pick it, and not need to pass it on in a timely manner for others to pick. So when I do pass these on, they will go out to the community, to the Aussie community, and then they will, once they've done the rounds, they will come back and live with me, because they're my frogs, my ribbits. Ooh, big falset. So, oh, massive falset. Don't know if you saw that, but we're going sideways. So just playing with the back pins first, because that's where all the dancing goes on. Okay, a little touch there. And you've got this gnarly warding where you have to pick here, and then you have to go in and then turn it. Let's go for pin 1. Right, let's try pin 2. Okay, that was false. I didn't feel good. Felt like I overset something, but we'll see how we go. Okay, into a deeper falset. So with these challenge locks, like when you get into a massive falset, like I'm used to falsets on normal locks, but once you get into a deep falset like this, you just don't know how far back you can turn it. You got to control that counter rotation so you don't drop everything. And it's all about the pins. What have they done? Have they put pins in there that change the binding order every time you pick it? Okay, let's just do a bit of a jiggle test. Let's have a feel of what's going on. Just touch things lightly. So I was doing the jiggle test. I've just started pushing again because I'm just learning to do the jiggle test. Jiggle it, wiggle it, get a feel for it. Oh, okay, lost my big false set. Maybe that's a good sign. Okay, any actual binders? Okay, just lightly touch someone up the back. I think that was the overset trap on 4. Okay, little pushes. Okay, oh, I still forgot to jiggle it. It's a counter rotation, it's the big false set. It's occupying my mind. Okay, pin 1. Okay, that was counter rotation, but I lost the deep false set. Okay, pin 2 or 3. Not sure if it's 1. That's 2, 3. Is binding heavily. Oh, that sound crunch. That was everyone dropping. It's just an alarm going off in the background. Oh, deep false set, touch 4 again. Alright, come on back to 3. Oh, not sure if I finally got that unset. No, back to 3. Right, 4. Okay. Let's go to 2. Pin 2. Hello, pin 2. Come on, you can do it. Let's find out, come on, who wants to be picked? Pin 2 maybe. Yeah, no. Maybe I thought it was, but no, it didn't. That's why I was just going, yeah, no, a lot. It's like, yeah, we agree, but no, we just had a second thought. I thought, no, it's not really what we're going for. So it's always a yeah, no. Or yeah, no, yeah, I agree with what you're saying, but no, you got your facts wrong. That sort of thing. Or yeah, no. So I agree with what's going on, but I understand what's going on, but no, I don't like it. I'm thinking, oh, look at that counter rotation. Every pin is giving counter rotation. Like a deep falset. Oh, deeper falset. Okay, so little touches. It's got to be just one pin. So you want to be careful, because are you counter rotating because you're hitting warding? Or are you counter rotating because you're on the pin? Is the question. Get proper pin placement. And just bring down any. Okay, feels like 3 is all over set, so let's try and get a little bit of release that friction. Let's bring it down. I'll hit a little dink. Yeah. Okay, more core rotation. Oh, I had my thumb on the way. Anyway, it's ribbit number 9 is open. I spent 35 minutes on that yesterday when I first got it, and I was dancing all over the place with those falsets. That is very exciting, very awesome. Let's we gotta see what's in Ribbit. To grab a coffee, we're doing a gutting, and no, I don't do editing, so there's none of that really cool fast forward stuff going on. We're just gonna get into it and gut this challenge lock. Okay, so I'm gonna change position of the camera so I don't keep hitting it. Let's do a ribbit number 9. Bring it on. Let's put Tinnie in there so we know whose lock we're doing. Let's move the frogs back a fraction. That's cool. Right. Gutting time. Okay, C-clip's not one of those nasty ones. That's a closer. That's an opener. Very happy I did that in under 15 minutes. That's pretty cool. My second attempt too. Challenge locks usually take me forever, or I can never get them. Oh. Having to progressive pin J. Gabriel's one, it's full of all sorts of alien tech. Okay, that's off. One of those. when and if I get number 10, I'll do a gutting on that, and then I'll do a comparison between the two ribbit. There are two ribbits, the ribbit pins. Did I show you the keyline? Probably not. Whoa, follower, I'm losing my place. I like to put that at the front, so I always stay with the same routine, so I know what's the front, what's the back. Oh my, okay. So what's going on here? Oh, that's a really deep one. That's a really deep one. Okay, all really deep. It doesn't look like there's any threading or it's a little bit of chamfering on the top. But I think that's standard for this core. That doesn't look like a mod. Okay. Let's start with pin 1. Oh, of course they won't come out because 1/8 guttings go quickly. Two. Okay, pin 3. Nope. 4. So all the falset and all the magic must be happening in the Bible. And pin 5. Get in there. Okay, so we've got a couple of serrations on these key pins. That's interesting where they put the serrations. Hello Betty darling. Yeah, I'm just busy at the minute. I can't come. I'm in the middle of guarding. You're gonna have to wait, puppy. Yep, nothing going on there. Upstairs. Oh my. There's my false set. Look at that. Oh, look at a jumper. Look at that one. What round was that? That way. Oh, strong spring as well. No wonder there was a dance. Oh my. Oh dear, look at that. Sorry, I keep going out of frame. Trying to look around the camera. Oh, I need the camera. Oh, very sharp. Very sharp. And then the last pin. Oh my. It's another one of them. No wonder there was massive falset dancing. No wonder I got stuck in a falset. It's all about falsetting. Okay, let's have a look. Is there anything upstairs? Looks like it's all got to do with the pins and what was keeping me out. Looks like there's no mods upstairs. Wow, what an awesome challenge lock. That is dead cool. Let's get down and have a peek. Okay. We got this tiny serration on the key pins. There. Look at the beautiful work on that pin. That one. And this capped one. I can get that one around the right way, I'm not sure. I'll have to look at the video, but I think it was that way. Oh, pin 4 was their standard. That one, what a very cool challenge lock. So you can see how the area of the that's just capping that. That's possibly around that way, I'm thinking. Maybe I twisted it. I'll check the video. But look at that interaction. No wonder there was such deep falsets and dancing and back and forward. Wow. We've got strong springs as well. We've got a copper spring, a steel spring, copper, tight little steel, and another steel. Wow, heavy spring on 4. That is an awesome, awesome challenge lock, Tinnie. Thank you very much for making them for me. Check out Big Hand Bushcraft. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Having fun with challenge locks. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.